Hello my dear children and all the parents watching this video. I hope you all are safe at home. So today I am going to teach you mathematics of grade 4th, chapter number 1 from NCERT book Building with Bricks. So let's begin. Students, as you all can see, this is the index of your Maths Magic book. There are total 14 chapters. So first chapter we will cover today is Building with Bricks. Now, introduction. Students, what we will study in this chapter today? Number 1, what is brick? Number 2, faces, edges and vertices of brick. Number 3, brick pattern for Jagriti school. Number 4, how to draw a brick. Number 5, a wall that will not fall. Now, what is brick? So this is a picture of brick which you can see here, and in Hindi we say eat. A brick is man-made building material used to make walls and other constructions. Means brick किसी इंसान ने बनाई है. किस लिए? Walls बनाने के लिए या construction के लिए. It is a hard block of baked clay that is used for building houses. Now, as you all can see here, the picture of wall, and in Hindi we say Diwar. So here I am showing you a brick from different views: top, front and side. So next topic, faces, edges and vertices of brick. A brick is an example of a cuboid. In brick, all faces are rectangle in shape. A face is any flat surface. Faces of bricks are 6: up, down, left, right, front and back. Next, the edges are the lines where two faces meet. Edges of bricks are 12. Edges means lines. Vertices of bricks are 8. Vertices means corners. Next topic, what are brick patterns? Pattern is a repeated decorative design. As you all can see, I have drawn here brick pattern: left, right, left, right. So students, remember Gurleen ma'am taught you in class 3rd patterns. So similarly here we are following brick pattern. Okay. So as you all can see, different brick patterns in the picture. So related to this, I am asking you one question. Which pattern is made in a circle? Yes, I got the answer. So here the answer I have marked with red. This is a pattern made in a circle. Next topic, brick pattern for Jagriti school. This story is from your NCERT book, page number 1. So, this is the story of Jagriti school in Murshidabad, West Bengal. Murshidabad एक जगह है West Bengal में. When its building was being made, there was a plan to make a brick patterns on the floor and walls. Means जब उसकी बिल्डिंग बनाई जा रही थी, तब प्लान किया गया कि ब्रिक पैटर्न्स बनाने हैं फ्लोर पर और वॉल्स में, मतलब दीवार में और जमीन में. जमाल, कालू and Pyar were the masons for the brickwork. जमाल, कालू and Pyar, ये 3 लोगों ने वहाँ पर काम किया था. They wanted to get new ideas for the school building, so they took their other friends to see the old tomb of Murshid Quli Khan. Means उन्हें नए नए आइडियाज़ चाहिए थे अपनी स्कूल बिल्डिंग के लिए, तो वो अपने पुराने दोस्तों के साथ मुर्शिद कुली खान का ओल्ड टॉम देखने गए. This building has a big floor with about 2000 beautiful brick patterns. These were made by masons long back about 300 years ago. Means 300 साल पहले masons ने इसे बनाया था. And above I can show you this picture. So next topic, how to draw a brick. So this topic is in your NCERT book, page number 4. So these are the two photos of the same brick. In one photo, we can see only one face of the brick. So I have written here 1. So in the other, we can see 3 faces. So in this brick, I have shown you 3 faces, 1, 2 and 3. Now A part. Circle the photo showing 3 faces. So here I have circled the picture which is showing 3 faces. Clear? Next question, B part. How many faces in all does a brick have? I have already told you previously there are 6 faces. So write here 6. Is any face a square? No. As I have told you, all faces are rectangle in shape. D part, draw the smallest face of the brick. So here I have drawn the smallest face of the brick. Next question, which of these are the faces of a brick? Mark a tick. So this question is also from your NCERT book, page number 4. So as we have discussed earlier, in brick, all faces are rectangle in shape. So these 2 rectangles I have ticked. These are the faces of a brick. Next question. Which of these is a drawing of a brick? Mark a tick. So I have ticked the correct answer. Last topic. A wall that will not fall. क्या मतलब है इसका? एक wall जो कि fall नहीं होगी. Here they have given small story in your book, page number 5. We are talking about 2 people, Zainab and Munya. As you all can see, इन्होंने ईंटों की हेल्प से दीवार बनाई है. So it is written, one day Munya and Zainab are playing with bricks and making their walls. Each makes a different wall. So Zainab says her wall will not fall easily. Why? Because Zainab की bricks में 2 bricks के ऊपर 1 brick रखी है. That is why her wall will not fall easily. Masons too do not put bricks one on top of the other as Munya has done. Means घर बनाने वाले भी एक brick के ऊपर नहीं रखते. So Munya wall will not be strong. Now question, what do you think? Which wall will be stronger? Answer, Zainab's wall will be stronger than that of Munya. Students, that's all for today's class. I hope you all have understood Gurleen ma'am's class. And next topic I'll continue in my next class. So homework for today, do page number 1 to 5 in your NCERT book. And classwork, I'll be sending you PDF in your class groups. Bye-bye.